Here's how to program the power strip with timer. First, press the power button on the top to turn it on. Next, set the clock to the current date and time. To set the day, hold the clock and press the day button until you get to the current day of the week. It's currently Tuesday. Now, while holding the clock button, press the hour button to set the time. It's currently 2:15 p.m. We'll use the minute button to set the minutes. The power strip has 8 outlets. The 4 on the right are always on and provide constant electricity. The 4 on the left can be set to on, off, or auto. You can have the 4 outlets automatically turn on and off at 7 different times on different days. But if you want to turn the outlets on and off at the same time every day, you only need to set one program. Here's how. Press the PRG program button. The number 1 at the bottom means you're setting the first program, which will turn the lights on and off at the days shown across the top. Right now, that's set to every day of the week. If you want to program a specific day, press the day button until you get to the one that you'd like. The word on means that you're setting the time the outlets will turn on. To turn on the lights at 8:30 every day, press the hour button 8 times to get it to 8 a.m. and then press the minute button until you get to 30. To set the time when the lights will go off, press the program button again and the display will say off. Again, we'll use the hour and minute buttons to set the time when you would like the outlets to turn off. In this case, we have set it for a 12-hour cycle. If you want to set another day and time, you press the program button again to change it to number 2. Otherwise, if you're finished programming, press the clock button to exit the programming mode. Remember that I said these 4 outlets could be turned to on, off, or auto? The word off in the display means that these 4 outlets are not getting power. So press the mode button and it will say on. That means the outlets will be receiving power. To have the lights go on and off at the times that you have programmed, press the mode button until you see auto. Now that you've done that, the lights will turn on and off automatically according to the times that you've set.